Most Linux Mint users never change their kernel. They install the system normally, update it normally, and everything just works. But if you spend enough time in the Linux world, you eventually hear people talking about XanMod, Liquorix, and Mainline kernels. Some users swear their desktop feels faster. Others use them for gaming, newer hardware support, or lower latency performance. So in this video, let's focus only on these three kernels and understand what each one actually does on Linux Mint 22.3. Let's start with the default kernel first. Linux Mint 22.3 already comes with Ubuntu's official kernel. This is the stable mainstream kernel. It is heavily tested, reliable, and designed for long-term daily use. For most people, this kernel is completely fine. But custom kernels exist because some users want more than just stability. Now let's talk about XanMod. XanMod is probably the most popular custom kernel among Linux gamers and performance enthusiasts. It includes newer scheduler improvements, desktop responsiveness tweaks, gaming optimizations, and lower latency settings. The main goal of XanMod is simple: make Linux feel faster and smoother on desktop systems. And honestly, many users do notice the difference. Animations can feel more responsive. Games may feel smoother during heavy CPU usage. System responsiveness during multitasking can improve slightly, especially on modern AMD Ryzen and newer Intel systems. Another reason people like XanMod is hardware support. Sometimes newer hardware behaves better on XanMod because it often includes newer kernel improvements earlier than standard Ubuntu kernels. Now let's move to Liquorix. Liquorix is a little different. Instead of focusing mainly on gaming performance, Liquorix focuses heavily on low-latency desktop usage. This makes it popular among creators, streamers, audio producers, and users who hate small stutters or delays. If you use OBS Studio, video editing software, music production tools, or heavy multitasking workflows, Liquorix can feel extremely smooth. Many Linux desktop users describe Liquorix as buttery smooth. That's usually because of its scheduler and latency optimizations. Gaming also works very well on Liquorix, but its identity is more about responsiveness and multimedia workloads. Now comes mainline kernels. This is where things become interesting. Mainline kernels are basically pure upstream Linux kernels. These are newer kernels released directly from the Linux kernel project without Ubuntu's long-term testing process. People usually install mainline kernels for one big reason: new hardware support. Let's say your Wi-Fi card, GPU, Bluetooth, or laptop hardware is too new for the default Linux Mint kernel. A newer mainline kernel may suddenly fix everything. That is why many users test mainline kernels on brand new laptops or GPUs. But there is a trade-off. Mainline kernels are not officially supported by Ubuntu or Linux Mint. That means stability can vary. Sometimes things work perfectly. Sometimes NVIDIA drivers break. VirtualBox stops working, or suspend behavior becomes unstable. So mainline kernels are powerful, but they're more experimental compared to the normal Linux Mint experience. Now, here's the real question. Which one should you actually use? If you're mainly a gamer or performance enthusiast, XanMod is usually the first choice. If you care more about smooth desktop behavior, streaming, multimedia work, and low-latency responsiveness, Liquorix is extremely good. And if your hardware is brand new and unsupported, mainline kernels can sometimes solve problems instantly. But for daily stability, the stock Linux Mint kernel is still the safest option. One important thing before ending this video: never remove your working stock kernel after installing a custom kernel. Always keep at least one stable fallback kernel installed. Because if a custom kernel fails to boot properly, Linux Mint allows you to select older kernels directly from the grub boot menu. And honestly, that flexibility is one of the best things about Linux.